Gary Schultz from Cyclone Custom. We got a new truck. It's a 2023 Canyon AT4. It's pretty cool. Last week we had the Colorado ZR2. Didn't like it. It was too high. I mean, that thing was about, I think, 3 inches higher than this. I couldn't jump in and out of it very well. I had knee surgery recently, maybe about 4 weeks ago. And I've got a blood clot in my leg, and I'm wearing the compression socks here. And so it's a little bit hard to get in and out of those really high trucks. So I went for the next best thing, which is this Canyon AT4. I love it. And so we're not done playing with vans. The van is still sitting right here. But you know, in Minnesota, it's cold in the winter. Although I should say, right now in Minnesota, there isn't even any snow. It's like, really? I mean, so today it's supposed to be 31 degrees, 30s all week. Pretty excited about that. I'm going to take that opportunity to put some stuff on this truck, so follow along if you like pickup trucks. If not, we'll be back to van stuff, I don't know, in a few weeks. So we picked up this roll and lock cover. This is like the same one that Chevy sells underneath their brand. And then we picked up this sort of this gate thing that we'll show you in a little bit, that slides in and out in the back of the truck bed, so you can like hold groceries at the back and stuff like that. So we're going to throw this in today. You know, a real nice feature about this truck is that it's got this thing in the tailgate here that you can just check this out. I mean, so hit that, and then this thing pops up, and it's all weather stripped and stuff right here. So you can keep stuff down in here. I don't know what that threaded hole's for. Oh, there's a Bose entertainment system you can put in here, I guess. But I just kind of want to put my trailer hitch in there. So that's my hitch ball right there. So it's still pretty slow opening, should be fine. So we're up here at the back of the truck bed. Here's this little plug here. You know, that does go through to this hole here. But so I put this together just like this, 7/16 bolt, and then you just run this through here. And it's got a Loctite on it, so it doesn't go very easy. In fact, I'm going to use my drill. So there's this groove right here, and you got to line that up right there, slide it forward. Okay, if you move the lock here to this position, it unlocks it, and it'll allow you to bring this thing forward. So if you see this, pull it forward now, and then just, if you see this rubber strip here, I think you want to get that under there, like that. Okay? So I'll put the 1/4 inch socket head cap screws together with the lock washers. This is all stainless hardware too, which is pretty impressive. I like it. So we got those. We'll just get these ready too. Like that. So that just clamps up underneath the truck bed there. I get it. Pretty basic stuff here, really. So we'll clamp her in. 2 on this side, 2 on the other side. This is actually a pretty easy install. It says to remove this plastic wing nut, which I'll do here in a second. And here's our keys, which I'll put in my pocket. And then we'll just hook this over there so you don't lose it. And then we'll get rid of the wing nut, it says. And that removes that. So guess I'll put this in here right now. Okay. So it says turn this to 7 o'clock. All right. And then we'll pull it shut. Sweet. So okay. So how do you unlock it? Just like that. Okay, I get it. Awesome. Sweet. I can lock it here by opening this. Just need to do that. Huh. All right. I like it. That's gonna work. Okay, so on these Canyons, there's a vent down in there. You probably can't see that, but there's a vent down in there, and you want your hose to not go in that vent. Mine's going down. So That's important. Don't put the hose in the vent. See how the hoses look there in the front. They look, you know, they're pretty tight to the wall. It's fine. They say you want to take this cover off every once in a while. Clean the leaves out. It worked out pretty good. Here, I'll show you how it goes. See if I can get you up high enough. And pretty good view of it right there, I think. Okay, so here we go. See, it'll stop there. And there it is. So then if you want to go back, you gotta just switch that. And they say you should lube the track. They give you this lube here. And we'll go ahead and put some of this on. 303 protectant, it says. Best use of an old sock ever, right? So we'll just get some on the sock, put it in the groove here, and get it all nice and we'll do the other side here. All right, there. Ooh, that was hard. It says to use the unused holes here. Okay, so I think this thing is done. Kind of out of breath here, but I've got this this thing here in now, so I can put groceries in the back, and then you can slide this thing kind of wherever you want it, and you know, that's pretty nice. And then there's a stop pin here on the back, so it doesn't go too far. And pull this shut. So when I open the trunk here for groceries, there you go. I'll bring you over so you can see it better. So the cargo manager, and then this is the roll and lock cover. So I like it. It's pretty nice. Put the tailgate up here. You know, it's got a really nice feel here. You know, look at that. It's real nice to the tailgate. And then all the way along this side, it's sealed up pretty good. So I don't think it's gonna actually have a problem. I got one more thing to show you. See how that tonneau holds up here. The next one is where the really high pressure sprayer is. Go. Did it leak? Well, a little bit along the back here. I don't see any leaks in there. Do you? Nothing. Boy.
A little bit going up this side.
Huh. Not bad. I'm okay with that. Well, hey, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye.